So guys, this is going to be our prediction for the day on our gold. So first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make your comments. Follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. Now, if you take a look at what market is doing right here on our gold, you can see that the full trend right on our gold, we are in a downtrend move. So market is definitely trending to the downside. This is a bearish move, right? So market is dropping. It is literally dropping and it is dropping, right? So what market is doing right now, market is just giving us a pullback. Once it pull back as exhausted, more drop will likely be out in gold. So basically our full trend on gold is downtrend move. We are very much bearish. So if you are still in the sell on your gold, you can still hold your sell position because in the long run, gold will still drop more. But if you are not yet in the sell and you are looking to pay for the sell, I would say we go to the 4-hour time frame and we take a look at this movement like this. First lower low, and this is the lower high. This is our lower low. This is the lower high. Now this can also be seen as our lower low. Here comes the lower high. Now this is the lower low, right? So market is currently playing the lower high. So we should expect this lower high to come to level 4, 5, 6, 5. So let's see it come to tap a level 4, 5, 6, 5. Once gold can push up and hit a level 4, 5, 6, 5, then I'm going to give you guys an update on what will likely happen next. Either gold will continue to push up or it will likely drop. Whatever gold we do next, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.